The front yard is the first chapter of a home's story. Long before anyone steps through the door, the space outside sets the tone, creating impressions that linger. Yet improving a front yard does not have to be costly. Some of the most effective transformations come not from grand investments, but from small, thoughtful updates that bring balance, character, and care to the space. Budget-friendly updates begin with perspective. They rely less on expensive purchases and more on creativity, resourcefulness, and an eye for harmony. A change in arrangement, a touch of texture, or a shift in focus can make a front yard feel refreshed without straining finances. More than aesthetics, these updates are about experience. They influence how a homeowner feels arriving home each day, how guests sense welcome, and how the house relates to its surroundings. Simple adjustments can create warmth, vibrancy, and even pride in the space, proving that design is not measured by expense but by intention. In this discussion, we'll explore 4 ways to update a front yard on a budget. By rethinking space, adding character through texture, enhancing atmosphere with light, and creating cohesion through balance. Each element stands on its own, yet together they form a vision of a front yard that feels both beautiful and attainable. One of the most powerful updates costs nothing at all: reimagining space. Often front yards feel cluttered not because of lack of resources, but because their layout has not been considered with care. Rearranging elements, opening pathways, and defining boundaries can transform the way the yard is experienced. Space is the silent partner of design. Too much emptiness can feel bare, while too much density can overwhelm. By adjusting spacing, a front yard begins to breathe. Even small yards benefit from this thinking. A clearer flow encourages movement, guiding eyes and footsteps naturally toward the entrance. Budget-friendly updates often come from subtraction rather than addition. Removing what distracts allows what remains to shine. A yard may feel instantly more polished when simplified. Defining borders or creating subtle divisions between functional areas further enhances flow, giving each section purpose. Reimagining space is about perspective, looking at the yard not as a collection of objects, but as a stage where movement, balance, and openness play roles. This mindset alone can refresh a front yard without the need for costly additions. If these budget-friendly front yard ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love affordable outdoor makeovers. Another way to update a front yard affordably is by focusing on texture. Texture creates richness without requiring major expense. It brings variety, depth, and contrast, ensuring the space feels alive and engaging. Texture can come from natural elements, contrasts between smooth and rough, soft and firm, light and shadow. It can also emerge from layering different materials, surfaces, or finishes. By blending textures, even modest spaces feel multidimensional. Budget-friendly approaches often rely on what is already available. Repurposed items, natural finds, or rearranged materials can create interest without cost. It is not about what is purchased, but about how surfaces interact. The goal is variation, giving the eye multiple points of engagement. Layering also enhances perception of scale. A yard may appear larger when depth is created through gradual shifts in texture. This gives the space rhythm and character. The effect is subtle but powerful, turning what could feel flat into something dynamic. Texture reminds us that beauty lies in detail, and that small, thoughtful updates can change the entire feel of a yard. Which update would you try first? Landscaping, lighting, or decor? Share your favorite front yard idea in the comments below. Lighting is one of the most affordable and transformative updates for a front yard. It shapes mood, highlights focal points, and changes the perception of space after sunset. A yard that feels ordinary by day can become enchanting at night simply through careful use of light. Budget-friendly lighting does not require elaborate systems. Even small, simple solutions can extend the yard's presence into the evening. Placement matters more than scale. Light that grazes across surfaces creates drama. Soft glows build warmth. Shadow, too, plays a role. Darkness balances brightness, adding mystery and depth. The true value of lighting lies in atmosphere. It creates welcome, guiding guests toward entryways with subtlety and care. It offers security while also enhancing beauty. It highlights the design decisions already made, ensuring they are appreciated at all hours. The play of light and shadow is timeless, reminding us that updates need not be costly to be transformative. Light brings a sense of life, turning night into a canvas for design. For more simple and affordable home design tips, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more inspiration. A final key to budget-friendly updates is balance. A front yard feels polished not when it is crowded with features, but when its elements work together with intention. Balance does not rely on expense, it relies on harmony. When the different parts of a yard feel connected, the whole becomes greater than the sum of its pieces. Balance can be achieved in many ways. Sometimes it comes from symmetry, where one side mirrors the other, creating a sense of order. Other times, it comes from repetition, where patterns or shapes reappear, guiding the eye naturally. It can also be born from contrast, where opposites, light and dark, open and enclosed, tall and low, interact gracefully. Cohesion does not mean uniformity. It does not mean that everything looks the same. Instead, it means that nothing feels out of place. Each part contributes to the story of the yard. Even simple, affordable elements take on significance when they feel connected to the whole. Visitors may not consciously notice balance, they may not point out symmetry, rhythm, or repetition, but they feel it. They sense when a yard flows naturally, when it welcomes rather than overwhelms. That feeling is what creates a lasting impression. Budget-friendly strategies often succeed because they prioritize balance over extravagance. Rather than pouring resources into one dramatic feature, the homeowner spreads them with care. A little attention here, a little adjustment there, and the yard feels consistently tended. This creates an overall effect of polish, even if no single feature is costly. A budget-friendly front yard transformation is not defined by cost, but by care. It is the intention behind the choices that makes the space feel renewed. Through space, texture, light, and balance, a yard can be reimagined as a place of welcome and beauty without requiring great expense. At their heart, these updates are about connection between house and street, between homeowner and guest, between everyday living and seasonal rhythm. They remind us that a yard is not just a passage to the door, but an experience in itself. Budget-friendly updates prove that design is not reserved for luxury. It is for everyone willing to look at space with fresh eyes and creative spirit. Each adjustment, no matter how small, adds to a larger sense of pride and joy in the home. The front yard is where impression meets identity. By approaching it with thoughtful, budget-conscious updates, homeowners show that beauty and welcome do not depend on expense, but on vision. In the end, the most memorable yards are not those filled with costly features, but those shaped with care, intention, and imagination.